even the smallest and slightest details. Okay, sir. Okay na, sir. Can I have the money bill, sir? Okay, there we go. Okay, sir, first of all, what's your name, please?
Spider-Man.
Spider-Man, okay, delikado rin. Okay, how about a round of applause for volunteer, Mr. Spider-Man? Papunod pa sila uwan nila, sir. Okay, sir, can you just stand right here? Now face towards me and extend your left arm sideways like this. Okay, good. Now as I've been putting the money between your fingers. Now, sir, no matter what happened, don't move or swing your arm. Okay? Now, do you have any idea what will gonna happen next?
I think a bird will land on my hand.
A bird will land on your hand. Nice idea. So I'll give you another hint or another twist, sir, no? Para exciting. A crocodile will jump over the water and get the money. Is that okay with you?
Guna.
Okay na, gura. Okay na, sir. Okay, so I'll tawag ko, sir, no? Now, here comes our crocodile. Don't worry, no, sir. Now, here comes our money bird blue. Our money bird blue can detect if the money is fake or not. So, blue, shall we? Now, blue flies over, gets the money. What's next, blue? Now, blue flies back into the table, and I guess blue wants to donate the money. Round of applause for generous donor, Mr. Spider-Man. Friendly neighborhood. Okay, sir. Okay na ba kasi 50 pesos, sir?
Okay na daw.
Okay na, sir. Okay naman na yun, sir. Second round, sir. 100 na, sir. Ato-ato na, sir. Tama, sir.
Pandiyo na lang ginanakaw.
Pandiyo na lang ginanakaw. Actually, sir, we're just kidding. Just part of the show. We will return your money. But before that, you're gonna have a photo opportunity with our lovely bird, Blue. So you can also use your phone, sir, for photo operation. Okay, so you can use our official photographer right over there. Okay, so just follow trainer Christian's instruction. Okay, now give us your best pose and best smiles together with our money bird Blue. Pang Instagram.